Hello dear student, here in class 8 exercise 4.2 we will construct the quadrilateral which is based on the given information. So our first step is you have to draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral. So here we have to design quadrilateral LIFT. So here LI side is given 4 centimeter. So LI I have done with 4 centimeter. And then after Li, you know here somewhere F will be there and somewhere T will be there. So what about the next side? IF is 3. Next one is TL that is given 2.5. This is our rough sketch, rough diagram. LF is given. LF is nothing but diagonal which is 4.5 centimeter and IT that is given 4 centimeter. This is my IT side which is having 4 centimeter and at the last you have to join these 2 points. So now we start. So first you have to take the measurement of LI 4 centimeter. So I am taking the measurement 4 centimeter. Or by taking scale you can directly draw. So here by using ruler you have to take 4 centimeter and that side is LI. So here we have completed the first part. And whenever you do that, you have to write steps also. So what will be your first step? You have to draw side LI whose measurement is 4 centimeter. Then this point I, this is attached with F. So you have to take 3 centimeter measurement by using compass and take point I as a center. So your next step is take I as a center with radius 3 centimeter and draw the arc. So this is the arc. Then this point F, here somewhere we will get point F. So this point is connected with L so that we will get the point of intersection whose measurement is 4.5. So take simply 4.5. Once it is taken, you take from L because we are going to design, we are going to draw LF. Side LF, so it will be intersect here. So simply here we got the triangle, so make join that. So we have completed now. Now we are going to think about the next triangle. So here the measurement of LT is given. So that is what? 2.5. So I will take this distance 2.5. Once it is taken 2.5, you make EL as a center and you have to draw that. Make the arc. And this point, whatever we will get T. So it is connected with I. This point T is connected with I, which measurement is 4 centimeter. So take a distance of 4 centimeter and once it is done, as it is connected with I, so take your compass here, make the center I with radius 4 centimeter. You have to intersect this at point T. So whatever I am telling, you can just write it in the steps also. So then you have to join this. You have to join LT and IT. Once it is done, upside we are getting 2 intersections, so that also you have to join. So our quadrilateral got ready. So at the time of writing step, you simply write first draw LI whose measurement is 4 centimeter. Then take I as a center with radius 3 centimeter and draw the arc. Same kind of statement you write in other also. and then once you get that, you have to join the particular side. So such kind of statements you have to write in the instructions, you have to write in the steps of quadrilateral. So now we are going into the second part of exercise 4.2. Now here we are in the part 2 of 4.2. So here some sides have been given. OL is given, which is 7.5 centimeter, and somewhere here G will be there and here D will be there. So according to the question, GL is 6 centimeter. So GL means this side will be there. So that will be 6 centimeter. Then GD is also 6 centimeter. This is also same. Next one is LD is 5 centimeter. This is 5. And OD is 10. This side is 10. And then at the end you have to join this. So this is our rough diagram. Now we are going into the fair. So first you have to design, you have to draw OL. So OL I am taking, which measurement is what? 7.5. Finally I completed OL, which is 7.5. Then you have to take, L is connected with D. So you have to take measurement 5 by using compass and take L as a center with the radius 5 centimeter and make the arc. Then after that, this point D that we will get, that is connected with O. So you have to take OD. What is the distance of OD? 10 centimeter. So you have to take 10 centimeter. Once it is taken, take O as a center and make the arc. So my previous arc, I have to do it again, which was 5 centimeter, so that it will be intersecting. Then once you get that point, you have to join that. Now here you have to think about the next point G that we are going to get. So their distance is given, LD is 6 centimeter. So after taking this, you make the arc, as we are going to draw L and G, LG side. So you make the arc. Same distance is there for GD. So take D as a center and make the arc. So finally here you can join this point, because we got point of intersection. So here the OD wasn't given, but as we got point of intersection, we could join this. So finally here we got the quadrilateral, and now we are going to the third part. So now here we are in the third part, and the third part is you have to design rhombus BE and D. So for designing this, one side is given BE, that is 6.5 centimeter. So it is B and D. So somewhere here B will be there. So here N will be there. So we will get the rhombus, we will get the quadrilateral. So then BN is given 5.6. So here in the question, the measurement of diagonal is given, and at the end you have to join that point. So you will get rhombus, because in rhombus all sides are equal. So first we will take the measurement of DE. We will draw DE side, and its measurement is 6.5. So I have completed this 6.5. Now I am giving the name DE. Now what happened in this question? The second diagonal is given 5.6. So it will be divided. You have to do division of 5.6 because here up to half distance, here up to half. So 5.6 divided by 2. It is how much? 2.8. Okay. So if you see this line is perpendicular to this line, and you can say it's a perpendicular bisector. So take more than half distance and do perpendicular bisector. This is my first arc, this is second arc. Again take D as a center, and here you have to make the arc. So here we got the perpendicular line. So here we got perpendicular line. Then here we want distance 5.6, that will be equally divided in two parts, 2.8 and 2.8. So you take 2.8 distance by using ruler. Once it is taken, take it in center of the line. Here you make the arc. This point, middle point, you can consider O. Take the arc both sides. So here this side we got the arc and this side we got the second arc. Finally we have to, here indirectly we got point of intersection. So you have to join this point with the arc. So you have to join all the four sides. Finally we join all the four sides, and here now we have to give the name. This will be B, this will be N. So finally this measurement was 6.5 and this one we got 5.6, and all the line sides are equal. So that is what the rhombus, because in the question they didn't give the sides of the rhombus, they have given only diagonal. So if the diagonals are given, you have to use this trick for solving, and at the last you have to write step. Steps are very simple. First you have to design side D with 6.5 centimeter. So this is the first diagonal. Then for making second diagonal, you have to make perpendicular bisector. Okay, and take ED and E center and make the arc. And then next here you have to take half of the side of 5.6, so half is 2.8. Then make here O as a center, and with radius 2.8 take the arc in both sides. After taking arc, we are getting the point N and B. Okay, then you join all the sides. So these steps simply you have to write in your language. So I hope, dear student, you understood this, and thanks for watching. Thank you.